How to install an add-on on Google Sheet. Installing an add-on is like giving your spreadsheet superpowers. From charts to automation, let's learn how to plug in some serious productive tools. Firstly, go to your Google Sheet, open the Google Sheet, and then over there you can see the option of extension at the end. Here you can see at the top only add-ons. Here you can see get add-ons or manage add-ons. Tap on get add-ons. Make sure your internet connection is faster. Here you can see you have the featured partners of Google's Workspace like Asana, Miro, and many other. Which one you want to install, look for it, and then just simply tap on install, tap on continue. Mail merger has been installed. Now tap on done and use the extension as per your requirement.